Pathways to General Education. Pathways 101, the crash course. Pathways to General Education is practice for work. Employers say they want graduates with a demonstrated capacity to think critically, communicate clearly, and solve complex problems, particularly with people whose views are different than their own. Pathways to General Education is practice for life. It's an opportunity to make sense of the world from multiple perspectives, fields, and with various tools, to follow your academic passions and interests, and consider world issues alongside students with different backgrounds, majors, and perspectives. Here's a snapshot of the Pathways General Education curriculum. There's 7 core concept areas and 2 integrative concepts weaved throughout. You can refer to this diagram to see credit hour totals to make choices about the courses you need to complete your Pathways General Education coursework. All students are required to complete all 45 credits of the Pathways curriculum. Some students might pursue a Pathways minor or an alternative pathway as ways of completing some of those requirements. Here's a made-up example of a Pathways minor. In the Diamonds Forever minor, students will explore the concept of diamonds from social, economic, chemical, and environmental perspectives. What are diamonds and where do they come from? What are they worth and why? Who has the rights to them? Students will navigate through the minor by taking an intro course, and then courses on the economics, geography, culture, and science of diamonds, and then have the chance to pull it all together in a capstone course. Along the way, students will complete requirements in the social sciences, natural sciences, humanities, and quantitative thinking. So a Pathways minor is a great chance to complete Pathways requirements in a cohesive and thematic way. That minor was made up, but here we have over 20 to choose from, including global food security and health, visual arts and society, and topics of sustainability, innovation, philosophy, politics, and economics, organizational leadership, and many more. So which pathway is right for you? Perhaps you're like Peggy, a sophomore civil engineering major interested in working with sustainable materials. So in your freshman year, you take the Seeking Sustainability courses to fulfill your reasoning in the social sciences. But then you meet with your advisor and you find out there's a whole minor around sustainability. So in this case, Peggy was able to complete Pathways requirements while also completing a minor and on the way of completing her major in civil engineering. If this path isn't right for you, check out our website for many more scenarios. You can also see on our website all the concepts and information you saw here. You can check out our other videos. You can email us, or you can follow us on Twitter.